Hello YouTube, I am back with another video on how to do goddess faux locks. So before we get started, I'm using Kima Braid Ripple Deep Crochet Hair for the plaits. Now I'm going to be wrapping them with the Cuban Twist double strand style in 16-inch. Alright, as you can see, I've already gotten started and wanted to show you a little bit of the braid down process. I start out with the braid and I braid about 2 inches down, and then I start to 2-strand twist the rest of the way until I'm at the point where I can burn where I want my wrapping to stop. So continue watching, my loves.
I know we have a lot to conquer. I am not looking for a sponsor. And I am not a teleprompter chick. I don't do well with sticking to the script. I have you going under. I'm just looking for the bang to my thunder. Can you be that? Can you be that? Cause when you're feeling it, things happen. Hand up, hand high, finger snap, shoulders forward, eyes low, tongue out. When you're feeling it, it's what happens when you're feeling him. I be sniffing your cologne harder than cocaine now. You don't give me nosebleed, but you give me fever. How I feel for you is starting to run off the meter.
At this point, I'm all done with the braid down process. I like to get all the loose tangled ends off just to make wrapping a lot easy.
Don't seem so far. I'll go anywhere to be with you. I know we have a lot to conquer. I am not looking for a sponsor. And I am.
What you see me doing is going row by row, stretching the hair I'm going to be wrapping with. I like to loop it on each braid and then start the wrapping process.
Hopeless romantic. Let me know if you feel it. Cause when you're feeling it, things happen. Hand up, head high, finger snap, shoulders forward.
You want to leave a little bit of hair at the tip and then start your wrapping. As you're wrapping, you want to make sure you keep your hair as flat as possible. That's to eliminate any bulkiness.
Cause when you're feeling it, things happen. Hand up, head high, snap, shoulders forward, eyes low. Tell me how you feeling now.
Here's where the hair starts to get thin. You want to continue wrapping until the hair runs out. This is what the end of your lock will look like. I like to take the lighter and burn to make sure there's no unraveling.
I don't recall being thirsty. Souls they collide and make me wanna beg for mercy. Emotions don't curse me. I pray we don't divide, even though I be rehearsing. Yeah, the 1 to your 11. But if you ever wonder, you're my lucky number 7. I don't want no more mileage. I know we have a lot to conquer. I am not looking for a sponsor. And I am not a teleprompter chick. I don't do well with sticking to the script. I have you going under. I'm just looking for the bang to my thunder. Can you be that? Can you be that? when you're feeling it. It's what happens when you're feeling him. I be sniffing your cologne hotter than cocaine now. You don't give me nosebleed, but you give me fever. How I feel for you is starting to run off the meter. You take a skeptic, turn her into a believer. Now I'm wishing on stars, million miles away, don't seem so far. I'll go anywhere to be with you. Hold up. I know we have a lot to conquer. I am not looking for a sponsor. What else? And I am not a teleprompter chick. I don't do well with sticking to the script. Deeper than your average. Hopeless romantic.
Now that you're all done, you want to use any mousse of choice to cover your client's head from top to bottom. You want to do this process so that all loose hairs and frizziness can be tamed.
Head high, finger snap, shoulders forward, eyes low, tongue out. When you're feeling it, it's what happens when you're feeling him.
After you've applied the mousse, you want to use a blow dryer until no mousse is visible.
Hand up, yeah. Head high, yeah. Shoulders forward, eyes low. Tell me how you feeling now. When you're feeling it, it's what happens when you're feeling him.
Thank you for watching. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
I don't recall being thirsty. Souls they collide and make me wanna beg for mercy. Emotions don't curse me. Pray we don't divide, even though I be rehearsing. Yeah. The 1 to your 11, but if you ever wonder, you're my lucky number 7.